Hello, this is Dr. Mary Askew from HollandCodes.com, and we're going to be providing you some instructions on how to create your profile on the Career Social Media Center. The very first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. The sign-in window is going to open and you're going to enter in your email and the password that you created in order to establish your account with the Career Social Media Center. After you enter in your email and password, you're going to click the sign-in button. If you used another method, for example, Twitter, Yahoo, or LinkedIn, you will use that method instead. Now you're at your home page. You can see that there are links on the left side of the screen. In order to revise your profile page, you're going to go over to the Members tab, which is almost the lower link on the side. You're going to click on the Members tab and it's going to open the Members page. Now, for this example, we're going to use Tweet Future Goals as our example. Going to click on the link for Tweet Future Goals. This is the profile page for Tweet Future Goals. This page was actually blank at the top. There wasn't a photo and there wasn't a graphic. And we added that, and I can show you how to do that. What you do is you click on the options button and you will see two options. You will see the option to change the photo profile, which is the square, or to change the cover photo, which is the rectangle. And what you would do is you would click on the upload button. You would upload from your computer the two separate graphics, and when you do that, they will appear like what's seen on this screen. The next thing that you can do is you can actually change your profile. Changing your profile is doing things like changing your email, changing your password. If you want to switch from your personal name to your company name, you can do that. You can change the privacy on who is able to access your information. At first, we have this set that everyone could look at it, but we want only members to look at it. So we changed it to members. We didn't actually have a birth date because this is an organization or group. And so we just put a date in, and you can decide whether you want the birth date to be displayed. You can choose not to. Same with gender. You can choose not to display gender. You can put down the country that you're from. If you're from the U.S., you can put down your zip code, which will identify your city and state. And then you can choose a URL. And then when you're done, you can see that there's an update button, which you will click to save all your changes. The next thing you might want to do is you might want to modify the email notices that you receive. You may not want to get any emails at all from any group members or even from the center. And that's your decision, and you can choose to do whatever you like. If you do not want to receive any emails at all, uncheck all the buttons and then go to the bottom of the page and say, I do not want to receive any emails from the Career Social Media Center. Click that button and we will not send you any emails. The final page in your profile is called Connections. When you click on that, you will have an option to change if you were logging in with your email and password to your Twitter account, your Yahoo account, or your LinkedIn account. So now we're going to go over to the left side of the screen where you can see the actual areas where you can give input on the Career Social Media Center. The first area where you can give input is in the photo gallery overview, which is already clicked and that page is open. You can submit a photo, and with the photo, it's usually a summary of what the photo represents. The photos need to be related to career development or to something related to social media. All submissions will be approved before they are posted, but when they are posted, they will be then viewable on your page. And so we'll see how that works. So this is one of the places where you can give input, but again, it will be approved before it is uploaded onto the main page. The second area where you can make comments is in the blogs. So you can always tell when you can give input because there's a cross in the upper right corner, and that shows you that's an area where you can add something to the blog. So if I come over and I click on the plus sign, it opens up and it gives you the opportunity to add a blog post. Again, the areas where you can give a blog post is social media, career development, motivation, and inspiration. And again, the posts will be approved. And when the posts are approved, they will be viewable from your page. The third and the last area where you can give input is in the forum. The forum is where people are giving their views about different topics. So you again see the plus sign in the upper right corner, and you can begin discussions. For example, what is your preference? Do you have a preference for the self-directed search or the Strongs? You can start a discussion about that topic, and then the different members of the Resource Center can comment back on what they think is the best career test between the self-directed search and the Strongs. And this is probably an area where, as long as it's related to career development or social media, the approval process will be quick. With the blogs and with the photo gallery, we would ask that you not submit products that you are selling on other websites. We have a new group which is going to be released in the month of February, that if you're wanting to sell your products on this network, then there will be an additional fee. And then you literally can have your own group with your own members where you can do your own discussions about your products. And if you're interested in doing something like that, stay tuned, and there is actually the group is already advertised, but we're not taking any interest right now. We'll be opening it up in, let's say, a week or so after we get this website finalized, and then you'll be able again to have your own group. You'll be able to advertise your own products, and that would be your own private space, and that's available for a larger fee. The regular $10 fee is not going to allow you to do your own product sales. So in order to see what happened, we're going to go down. When your different topics get approved, you go down to the membership tab, and again we look over here at Tweet Future Goals. This is where your approved postings, discussions, groups, photos, all will be under this category, and it will appear in the activity feed, it'll appear in the post, in the discussions, in the photos. So it would be great if you submit things, and when they are approved, then you'll have some actual content showing in your private page. So this is an example of what you can do with your own profile, And I'll show you about the group that I was explaining that will be for an additional fee. We have the group page, and here is the actual explanation of the invitation to be a group leader, where this is where if you want to have your own group with your own members that's separate from the Career Social Media Center, for an additional fee, you will be able to have your own group. And so that is an option that you can think about, and we just want to make that available. So thank you so much for listening. This is Dr. Mary Askew, and now you can get going on creating your profile. Have a great day.